Hey guys, it's Shannon. I hope you all had a great Christmas. I know this is the day after Christmas and I still kind of have some of my Christmas decor up and I'm not so sure I'm ready to take it down yet. I kind of really like the warm glow of the lights and everything, especially in the bedroom. But let me know down in the comments below, when do you take your Christmas decor down? Usually we leave ours up through New Year's and then it all comes right down, but some years it comes down sooner, some years it comes down later. But for us, usually it's right around New Year's. So I know I have a lot of new subscribers thanks to my holiday series that I had. I'm so glad you are here and can join us as we continue lots of great DIYs. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you get lots of great DIYs as well as haul videos. And the reason that I do hauls, especially for Dollar Tree, is to give you guys not only a sneak peek into what is to come in upcoming videos, but it also gives you guys a chance to purchase some of these items before they are gone in the stores. So you see what I grab now, and then later on you'll see the projects that are to come. So I hope you will subscribe because I will be using all of the items that you see today in upcoming tutorials using Dollar Tree supplies. So in this haul video, not only am I going to give you a Dollar Tree haul, but I'm also going to give you a winter decor haul because as soon as Christmas comes down, I like to sort of use some of it to decorate for winter. So I don't want to forget winter, but I also like that to kind of transition before we get to Valentine's Day, and then we do a fun Valentine's Day theme too. So a lot of what I'm going to show you first is for New Year's. I will have some New Year's craft ideas, party ideas, decor ideas for you coming up later on before the new year. So I'm going to show you what I grabbed for that. So first are some party horns. These are fun to decorate as well as use for the new year, so you can kind of double decor with party favors. This is a fun way to do it, especially Dollar Tree. They have very inexpensive party favors. I also have some number candles, and my Dollar Tree didn't have a 9, so I bought a number 6 that I can flip upside down to make a 9, so this will be a decor item that will say 2019. Also some fun curly ribbon. These really nice plastic wine glasses. This came with a set of 2. I really love these mirrors. I've seen some really cute projects made out of them, and this one is like a silver and gray with the round mirror in the middle. A set of 12 star plates. They also have these in gold, so I like that you have that option too. So if you like a more gold theme, you can get gold. Dollar Tree also has this really pretty rhinestone type ribbon. It's sort of a mesh and it's really easy to work with. You can cut it apart, you can glue it onto things. This is a really fun thing to just kind of keep around. Dollar Tree also has these super adorable mini bottles of sparkling cider, and yes, they are made of glass. I think it's such a great bargain, and it also makes a really nice decor item as well as a party favor. To keep with the silver theme, I have this really cute box that is also silver with a little bit of ribbon on it. You can use it for all kinds of different things, and you'll see what I use it for coming up. Some really pretty silver and gray tissue paper. Dollar Tree also has these really fun party poppers. They are filled with confetti, so really inexpensive. They come in a set of 2, so they're only 50 cents each. And I think they were really fun and a really cool item that Dollar Tree actually does carry. I also found these really beautiful vases. This is the first time I've seen these where they're sort of the bubble at the top and then taper down. So if you put something in the bottom, it sort of raises it up without you having to fill so much in the bottom. So I really liked this, and I know if you put a candle or something in here, it's really going to be pretty illuminated, so I grabbed a few of these too. I found this really pretty placemat. This is blessed on it, and it has that chalkboard look, so this is an upcoming really cool project that I have for you. I also needed some more of this burlap wired ribbon. I really like using this. It's so pretty, it's so inexpensive because it's from the Dollar Tree, so I always try to keep some of this on hand. I found some more wall decals, and this one I really loved it because it's a beautiful script, and it also has the Grateful, Thankful, Blessed, which is such a pretty farmhouse saying. I picked up another one of these silver trays. You know, I've used these in some previous DIYs and projects, so another one of these is coming up. I couldn't pass up this ornate frame. It's almost like a frame, but it has a mirror in it, but you could take the mirror out. and do different things with this, so I grabbed this for an upcoming project that I have in mind. Before the Dollar Tree ran out of these cute mailboxes, they're tin and you can open them. They also have the little flag on the side. I grabbed one of these for an upcoming Valentine's Day project. So if your Dollar Tree still has these, grab one if you want to join me for a really cute upcoming project with these. I grabbed another one of these Jenga games, or it's called the Tumbling Tower game at Dollar Tree, and it's little wooden blocks, and these are good to have on hand. They're woods. You can use them for lots of different things. You can stain them, you can paint them, you can build with them. So I love having these on hand too to create with. And last but not least, from the Dollar Tree is a bottle of vinegar. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what this is for. So that's what I grabbed from the Dollar Tree for some upcoming DIY projects. I hope you will subscribe so you can stick around and see what I do with all of these projects, because I like to bring you guys Dollar Tree DIYs. And now that we're done with the Dollar Tree haul, I want to show you some of the great winter items that I picked up to create some new decor for winter. So now on to my winter decor. I stopped at Hobby Lobby, which was having 66% off of their Christmas. So when you're looking, don't just look for Christmas things. You can also look in there for winter things that you can keep up all season long. So I like catching deals at the end of Christmas season to get some good bargains. I also grabbed a few things from the Target Dollar Spot and one thing from the Dollar Tree. So let's start with Hobby Lobby. So as far as the items that I grabbed for 66% off, I found these really cute stems. They look like little snowballs on the end, and I thought they'd be fun to either put in a vase or kind of break them up and put them on the side and use them as shelf decor. So these were just really, really fun and really inexpensive. I will try to remember to insert prices here. I found this cute ornament. It's one of those tobacco baskets, and it says Noel in here, but you could always paint over this or take this out and make it say something different. So it's not necessarily something you have to use as an ornament. You can also use this as cute little mini decor too. I had to grab this little Noel sign too. It reminded me of that Ray Dunn font. So this is a little place card holder or picture clip. You could do that, or you could take this whole thing off and use it just for the little block. So I grabbed that because it was really inexpensive as well. They also had this great fuzzy blanket for 66% off as well. And I thought, you know, this is even cheaper than buying fabric. So I picked this up and I may cut it apart to use it for different decor and maybe some table runners or something like that, but it was too great of a deal to pass up, and I know I'll find a good spot for these. They also had their placemats 66% off. These are all from their Christmas collection. And this one has a beautiful grain sack look to it. So of course I grabbed this. You could use this on this side, or the back side even has a nice sort of muslin look to it, that great farmhouse look. And I just loved the texture of this. It sort of has like a fringed look and some textured print behind it, and again with the same muslin back. So really inexpensive and a great way to add a little bit of texture to your decor. And the last thing I got from Hobby Lobby, they did not have their wreaths or their garland half off that week, but I love this. It's a greenery wreath, and it sort of has a frosted look to it, which I really liked. I wanted some greenery in my decor, but I didn't want the fur look, like that would look a little bit too much Christmas. I wanted something a little more fresh and brighter, and I really liked the look of this. It's still that beautiful farmhouse look, but it's not swaying too much towards the Christmas side, and it also has like a snow or frosted look to it. And this was $19.99, but I used my 40% off coupon on this, so I feel like I still got a really great deal. The Target Dollar Spot that I went to didn't have much left in it, but I did find a few winter items that I went ahead and grabbed, thinking I could put them different places and use them for Christmas next year even, but definitely with my winter decor for this year. So they have these really adorable whitewashed toboggans. You could even sort of add some paint or some vinyl to these, or hang them, you could prop them. So lots of different ideas that I had with these, so I made sure to pick one of those up. They had this pack of snowballs, so I know I can put these in containers, I can stack them, I can kind of tuck them into little places, so another great winter decor item. They also still had some ornaments, so I have some bigger just plain unfinished wooden snowflakes. So I grabbed these little guys that were only $1 each to kind of give some variation to add to those. Also, another great small ornament I grabbed were these ice skates. And again, these were only $1. I grabbed the black version of these. They're little houses, a house scene, and they're all hinged together. But then I saw that they had the white ones, and I thought that'd be great for winter too. So these were $3 each. And last but not least, I grabbed one thing from the Dollar Tree that I thought would be great for winter, and it is this really adorable white lantern, which was for an ornament, but I know I'm going to be able to tuck this in someplace and kind of give my decor a little bit more of some height variations. So I thought this would be really cute. I'm probably going to remove this greenery off the top so it has more of a just plain winter feel and not so much Christmas. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this haul video. I like to do these about once a month so that you can see you kind of get an idea of what DIY projects I might have coming up, or if you like to follow along and craft with me, then you have a chance to get these supplies as well. And then you also kind of get an idea of my decor ideas that I have coming up, because I always bring you sort of tours, and that gives you a chance to, if you like some of these ideas, that you can kind of incorporate into your own home as well. So I hope that this inspired you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. That definitely helps out my channel and allows me to keep bringing you DIY tutorials. You can also follow me on my social media, both on Facebook and on Instagram, so you get to follow me along there and see some sort of behind the scenes or what's coming up. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell as well so you get notified when my videos go live. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys!